Down, yeah. I've been feeling so down, yeah. Can you tell me why? Can you tell me why I'm down, yeah. No friends of mine around, yeah. Now I'm thinking I might have caught the June blues. Yeah, I wanna drown myself inside the juice. Yeah, you know I keep on running from the truth. Was that not? I'm just a lonely fucking youth. Now when I drive around, don't fill it up. Why it's getting colder when the sun come out? Might just waste away, don't know what life about. Another day go by, don't know what got me down. June blues, yeah, I got the June blues, yeah.
Good morning, everybody. Today is a Sunday and it's quite late. Oh, hindi na pala good morning. Good afternoon na pala. Well, I'm in my office right now and yes, as I said, it's a Sunday today. Sam is out. He is at his friend's house making up recipes, I think, for his coffee competition. So he joined this coffee contest. So it's just me again and Tiger somewhere. I've had a very rough week of work this week, so now it's a time for me to really get my calendar together, get everything straight so I can have a better September. To be honest, August has been just really rough, you know? Friends and I joke about it all the time that maybe it's because of Ghost Month, kaya parang ang hirap-hirap to navigate through this whole month in general. I hope you had a better August than us, and here's to looking forward to September. Hello, so today is a Thursday and I got coffee from Krispy Kreme and a box of donuts, like 6 donuts, just as a little pick-me-up in the middle of the week. I say that it's in the middle of the week because of the August 30 holiday. Technically, we started working on Tuesday, so that would mean today is my Wednesday. I'm honestly so tired because I feel like I've been working non-stop, like from 9 o'clock, then it's another class observation, then training teachers. It's just like I never really stopped working today. So this is finally my break time, my afternoon 3 p.m. break time, and I need to catch up on a lot of documents. Also, this is like my, I don't know, third or fourth attempt already to try to sit down and say something. I like my vlogs with a mix of the clips that I do for the entire week as well as sitting down and actually talking. So I haven't been able to sit down and do that because I just lose track of time. The day goes by so fast, even in quarantine. So I hope you're having a better week than I am. I'm quite happy that the children look very excited, or they seem to be excited to come to class. I just feel like lately hindi ganun kapatok yung activities sa kanila. We had an activity today that they had to use shaving cream and paint, and they did not like that at all. Like, they don't like shaving cream at all. I don't know why. Like, is it the texture? Or maybe matapang yung amoy ng shaving cream? I'm not sure. I'm also a little concerned because Tiger's tummy has been grumbling the whole afternoon. He doesn't want to eat, he doesn't want to drink water. If this persists, I have to rush him to the vet tomorrow. I also realized that I look so rough today. Like, my hair is super bagsak. Totally no body anymore. I really miss going to the salon. I don't know what to do. I want to help you, but we can't just walk into the vet. We have an appointment system. Fine. Or takot ka ng sakit lang. But your tummy is making the worst noises ever. I'm gonna move to my office now because I have a 5 o'clock meeting, and pag nandun ako sa bedroom, of course, because it's a bedroom, inaantok ako, so I don't feel like working there. I'm in my workout clothes already because I want to exercise after this. I haven't been feeling the best. I'm really trying to start a new hobby or a habit of exercising or doing yoga. I have a spin bike. I bought it recently, pero kulang-kulang yung parts, so I have to wait until the other parts come in. I don't think I'll be waiting for the parts anymore from the supplier kasi ang tagal. I mean, even if it's extra gastos, I really want to use the bike already. And for my own peace of mind, I want to use it already as well to distract me from stress, the deadlines, and everything. So, I think gagastos na lang ako for the spare parts. So as I'm editing the vlog, I realized that I never really properly filmed something to end it. So I'm just gonna end it right here. Hopefully next week I have a better vlog and I can end it well. See you next time.